What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to apply a PNG with transparency or alpha in Marmoset. So in Maya, I just quickly created a bunch of planes. I went into Photoshop. Let me just show you. So in Photoshop, I have, some Pokemon here. It's on like an alpha. There's a transparency on there. There's no alphas or anything on it. It's just a PNG with transparency on it. Now in Marmoset, if you go and you create a material, so I create a brand new material, I named the Pokemon Mat, and then I throw in the PNG into the albedo map. This is what you're gonna get, right? So it's opaque, right? All you need to do is scroll all the way down to transparency here, go to cut out, and there you have it. Now you have alphas working. Yeah, so there you go. You have alphas working in Marmoset with PNG transparency.